first I wondered why they only speak to each other. It took me some time to understand that they cannot see or hear any of the crowd. After observing their childlike behavior, I understood they were two little children stuck in the bodies of grown-ups. To the girl, I said, "You are lady." To the boy, I said, "You are a bird, but you cannot fly." They knew about the presence of other people. They knew about the sun, and at some point, right before the break of the day, they could see me, not knowing that I come from the outside.